Hi friends, I am Ruplal here to discuss a new topic in mathematics, coordinate geometry. It is discovered by a French mathematician René Descartes in early 17th century with the help of longitude and latitude. How to find a point in a plane, now we will learn. It would be better to understand in a graph paper, but now we have a board and we can better understand in a board also. So let's start. Find a point in plane. We have to take two lines, one horizontal and second one vertical. Vertical line is known as y-axis and the horizontal line is x-axis. Now where it intersect, it is origin and denoted by O, and it is real. Here we can see right side of the origin is real axis and left side of the origin is imaginary axis, and this is x dash. So on, just above the origin is y axis, all the positive value will lie here and all the negative value will lie just below the origin, that is y dash. Now horizontal line and vertical line divides Cartesian plane into four equal parts, and the first part is first quadrant, second part is second quadrant. We have to go in anti-clockwise direction. Third one is third quadrant and fourth one fourth quadrant. Now in the first quadrant, all the positive value of x and y should be there. X and y, that is the positive value of x and y. How we have to take these points, we will understand by some examples. Let's point out the points in plane. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. All the negative value of x should be just left side of the origin. Here we have -1, -2, -3, -4, so on. Positive value of y would lie on above the origin, and this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the negative value of y would lie just below the origin, and here we have -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on we can take. By the example, suppose we have the point 2, 3. 2, 3 means what? This is a point in a plane where we have to find out where it lies. 2, 3, 2 is abscissa, which denotes x, and 3 is ordinate and it denotes y. That means if we want to locate 2, 3, where would it be? Then 2 means x. Here we have x in x-axis, so we have to take from here 2. By this it will go in up direction and down direction anywhere. And now y, what we have? 3. 3 means where? In y-axis, and in y-axis here we have 3, and that is the perpendicular distance from what? X-axis is y, and the required point 2, 3 is here. So on, we can take more example to understand it in better way. -2 and 3, that is a point. This is a coordinate -2, 3. What about where x we have? X we have -2. Where we have to take x -2? In imaginary line x dash, that is the negative value of x -2. From here we are free to go upward or downward direction. Let's check where it intersect. And 3, that is the perpendicular distance from y-axis to x. So 3 where we have? Here. Now it will go by this type and it will intersect here. That is the required point -2 and 3. This is in second quadrant. So second quadrant have sign what? Minus and plus. What about minus plus? It denotes x, 4, and plus denotes y. Now in third quadrant, one more example, -3 and -4. What about -3? That is x, and -4 that is y. That means where we have minus 3 in x axis in imaginary line. So minus 3 here we have, and minus 3 and minus 4 in y axis imaginary. Here we have minus 4. Now it would be intersect at a point here. This is the required point, minus 3 and minus 4. This is in third quadrant. So third quadrant have what? Minus and minus sign. That means minus sign denote x, and again minus sign denotes y. Again one more example. What? Suppose we have a point 3 and minus 4. Where it would be lie? Minus 3 and minus 4. So 3 is in x. That means we have to take in x axis 3. Here we have. Now we are free to go upward and downward direction. Let's see where it will intersect. But what about minus 4? That is, will be in y axis, and in y axis here we have minus 4. And if we will go by this type, it will intersect here, and that is the required point. What? 3 minus 4. It would lie in fourth quadrant, and by this we can say it have plus and minus sign. Again, now plus plus denotes first quadrant, minus plus denotes second quadrant, minus minus denotes third quadrant, and plus minus denotes fourth quadrant.